Ito yung ano yan, 11 station guys, kasi yung una 13, 12, ito yung 11 station. Tingnan nyo guys paano ipako si Jesus. Pinako sa krus. So guys, tayo guys, ipatan natin. Ito yung 11 station. Okay. Dito siya guys. Yan, 10 station of the cross. Yan, ayun si Jesus. Yan. Yan. 10 station of the cross. Yan.
Use it for your glory, and Lord, I offer my days to you, lifting my praise to
10 station of the